Starting to do the frame here now. I've placed everything out on the bench. These are all the aluminium extrusions. So they'll all go together today. Got the they call them drive worms or whatever you want to call them. More gear there. So yeah, we'll start putting all this together today. The bench turned out pretty good. Quite happy with that. It's nice and flat. Over here, off camera I did. I tried to video it, but ran out of batteries. I've done the Z axis, the bearings and everything in there, and the motor and everything on there. These are for the rails, the motors there. And I've laid everything out here on the bench so I can see it as I'm working over here. So yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy. If you haven't already, if you could subscribe, it would help out a lot. And we'll do a lot more of these different tables and benches and everything. Righto, hope you enjoy. I'll come back off and on through the video.